discover, explore, and find out which kind of exercise, physical activity, or training you like to do. This is extremely important. You need to figure out if you like to train alone, for example, or you need a company. There are many choices out there. If you like to group exercise, then join some group exercise sessions. If you don't like that and you try or like to do something on your own, it is okay to go out alone on the roads to walk or jog, or go to the gym and train just alone by yourself. All of us know that exercise is good for health. There are a few ergonomics that you need to follow to make your exercise more effective. Do not go exercising empty stomach. Consider taking a small meal before going to the gym. 2 hours before exercising, if it's more carbohydrates. And if it's more proteinaceous meal, then just taking it half an hour before will be enough. Also, always remember to keep a water bottle with you all the time. That will definitely improve your efficiency while you're working out. You'll feel a lot less lethargic if you keep sipping water every now and then during your workout. When it comes to choosing which kind of training, exercise, or physical activity you're going to do today, consider what kind of temperature is out there. For example, if it's really hot day, you should be considering to going to gym instead of going out in a very hot weather and get dehydrated after severe sweating. You don't want to do that. And even when you're going to the gym, make sure that the temperature is appropriate over there. If you're feeling too hot, go to the counter and ask the person standing there, please can you turn on the AC? What kind of exercise should I be doing today? Well, there are many choices of the kind of workout you're going to do today. Depends, number one, that you exercise lightly if you are tired on that day, or you did not get to sleep well last night. And on the days when you feel more fresh, then you can go for heavy workouts. Make your physical activity, training, or exercise a part of your daily routine. But how to do that? Well, by making it as enjoyable as possible. For example, you go out to walk, run, or jog. Make sure you wear your headphones with the most interesting and your favorite music on. Or when you're going to gym, you can, for example, take a book with you, your favorite book. Yes, between the sets, whenever you get time, you read that one paragraph in that book and feel refreshed again. Or to keep yourself motivated, you can download an app in your mobile or wear a Fitbit that keeps a track of how many calories you have burned so far in this activity.